Hello loves, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. If you would like to see how I achieve this glitter look, please stay tuned because your girl got some deets for you. Okay, we all need fall inspiration. Okay, so right here I'm going in with some of my LA Girl Pro concealers. These are some of my favorite cheap drugstore concealers to use. Okay, so right here I'm going in with one that's kind of my undertone, and then one that's lighter because I love for my brow bones to be a little lighter underneath. And I also connect the brow, the concealer at the end, right in the front, as you can see where I connected where my nose is, so that it can give me kind of a guide to show me like, okay, your brows are kind of meeting, so they're kind of even. Okay, some people say they can't be twins. Okay. But yes, I'm going in with some of my P. Louise eyeshadow base right now, just to make that eye a little brighter, so when we put our shadow down, it can grab it and make it pop, like pop that color out there. Okay, so right now I'm just using my finger to blend it out. We don't want any harsh lines. We want everything to be smooth. We want everything to go down real smooth. So right now I'm just using my AnGLOWla Cosmetics palette. Well, this is who made the palette, and the palette is called the Space Palette. Okay, so I'm going in with that dark brown that's in that palette, and I'm just slowly patting it into the shape of my eye, because some people mess up when they just go in and just start packing it in and don't have a shape. I feel like it's better to get a shape first, so that way everything just works so better afterwards. So right now I'm going in with that green, and I'm just packing it around. Make sure that that green still has some depth to it. So I'm just packing it first, and then just slowly blending it out afterwards, and blending it to the front, so that it all blends in with that brown. But also I don't want to lose that brown, so I will be going back in, as you can see, with that brown to kind of give it some more depth, to kind of make that brown pop out some. Like, we need to see that brown, sis. Like, we need to see it. Okay, so right here, you know, your girl just cut her crease like she always do. If y'all want me to go in depth on cutting crease, going in depth on cutting your crease, I'm sorry y'all, please leave that in the comments down below, and I will make sure that I get a video done, because I don't really be knowing what y'all want to see, because y'all don't talk to me. So I need y'all to talk to your girl. Okay, so right now, you know, you just go in very carefully, take your time. You might see professionals, whatever, dragging that crease over. Don't drag it. Like, take your time. It's not a race. Take your time. So right now I'm just going back in with that brown and making sure that I'm blending the end out around the end of that crease. I'm making sure I'm blending it out so that everything looks smoked out, everything looks together, everything looks laid. Okay, just pat it and then slowly drag whatever is over, drag it over, and let it give it that smoky look. Okay, y'all, I'm just at this point don't know what I'm saying. Okay, so right here I'm going in with my matte liquid liner from LA Colors, it's LA Colors, and I'm just using my brush to pat it down and smoke the end of that liner out. Look at that, period. Going in with my glitter from Divineegoddesscosmetics, Cosmetics, and you see me, your girl is glistening. Okay, so you know, after that, just going in with some little mascara, pop you some lashes on. Okay, periods, and I think I changed those through the video, so yeah, we're gonna get to it. But right now I'm just about to go in with my face routine. I already put me some moisturizer on and some primer on, so yeah, you make sure you moisturize your face and prime your face before applying your foundation, because you don't want your face to be all dry and itchy all underneath your makeup, and it just don't look right if you don't prime and moisturize your face first. So please do. So right now I'm using my Truly Matte foundation by LA Colors. I love this foundation because everybody knows I love a matte look. Okay, so right now I'm highlighting my face, highlighting those areas, you know, that need to be highlighted: your forehead, your nose, under your eye, your chin, and of course I like to put a little concealer around the area of my mouth so that my face can look Okay, snatch, period. When you put that contour on and then you blend it all out, that face be looking snatched, honey. Y'all gonna see, period. Okay, right now I'm contouring everywhere that I want to look smaller, to give off that smaller appearance, like my nose, around my forehead, my cheekbones, my jawline, everywhere under my lip. Make your lip look juicier. Okay, kisses, period. Okay, so now we're just going into blendiful mode. I like to say that, so period. Okay, we're going into blendiful mode. Make sure everything is blended, everything is laid, because that's the only way everything is gonna look good, if everything is laid. And also, please make sure your brushes are clean. Like, that's the only way you're gonna get a clean looking look, if your brushes are clean. Okay, so now I'm just going in with some blush, bringing my face back to life, bringing those juicy cheeks back to life, bringing that plump nose back to life. Okay, giving it some color. Okay, we're going in with the Saharan, okay, I can't even pronounce it, y'all, so I'm just gonna leave it in the description box. But okay, now we're going in with the highlight from the crayon case, AnGLOWla highlight. And y'all, let me tell you, I stopped putting highlight on my cheekbones for a good minute, but I started back, okay, for this look. So right here, you know, just pop some different lashes on, because the first one wasn't working, and boom. Okay, looking good, looking cute. So if I gave y'all any helpful tips, or if y'all like this look, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to follow my Instagram. Love you guys. Bye.